Hey everyone, I bought this door for the Skoda project, or the Skoda Otago project, the VRS. There's a link up there if you would like to take a look at that. Now the door has these company stickers on there, which we need to take off. So what I wanted to do today is show you how to easily take these off. So essentially what you need to take the stickers off is a heat gun. Just any heat gun will do. This is just a cheap brand. You can buy them at most hardware stores. They don't cost very much. It's got a low and high setting. For this, I don't think, I can set it for on the low setting. Doesn't need to be very high. So let's go through and just show you the aid that's on here. So all you need to do is just heat it up. And I'm using a plastic spatula just to get it off. Oh, I just burnt myself. So be careful with the heat gun. Okay, and once the sticker is warm, it becomes very, very pliable. It comes off. So once you finish getting the sticker off, the area will still be quite warm. So just get some thinners or lacquer thinner and just put on a shop rag and just gently rub it. You don't need to rub it very hard, and all that residue should come off. There is a scratch here, it's not going to come off. Essentially, that's now off. And it's done. Nice and smooth. There's nothing left on that area. So now let's put you on time lapse and we'll do the rest of these letters. As you can see, I've done these letters. So a couple of things I guess worth to mention. First of all, when working with a heat gun, this tip gets very, very hot. So please be careful so not to touch yourself. Accidentally I touched myself on the wrist here. Oh, it hurts a little bit, but I burnt myself. So be careful with that. It does get very hot. Secondly, these pieces or the actual stickers, once you roll them up using a plastic spatula or spatula, they're actually quite hot. So they can be in your fingertips. So maybe wear a pair of gloves, which I should be doing, and I haven't been. And lastly, just on the spatula itself, I'm working on a door that's going to be painted. So to me, if I get some additional scratches, it doesn't worry me. But still, the fact is I am using a plastic spatula. If you don't have a plastic spatula, use maybe like an old bank card or credit card or something similar. That's actually not going to scratch your paint. So just be careful on that. Okay, so now let me go ahead and work on the remainder of the stickers. And for this round, or for this sticker, I've got myself a pair of gloves that should protect me from the heat when I'm handling the sticker. Okay, these large stickers, after applying heat to a greater area, become so pliable that you can just take them off by hand. So just peeling it off. So let's go and try that on this smaller one now. Okay, so let me stop here for a second. Just to let you know the technique. So the plastic spatula, I'm just running along the panel. I'm not jabbing, I'm running along the panel to try and obviously just get that pushed along. Now the area I'm heating is before, so just before I need to, the area I'm actually trying to roll up. So just in this area here, just to make it pliable for me to be able to push this along. Take it slowly, no need to hurry. It doesn't take long. Just be patient with it. Okay, so let's get back into it. Okay, so we've got all the stickers off. So there is a bit of damage here along this edge, which is okay. We were advised when I was purchasing this door that there was a little bit of damage here, but overall, guys, take a look at this door. It's looking fantastic. There's no damage to it. Happy to use this on a project. So there you go, guys. A heat gun, a bit of lacquer thinner, a rag, and a little bit of your time, and you can get all the stickers off the door and get them turned into a pile of plastic which can be thrown away. The door is looking fantastic. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you liked it, please leave us a like, consider subscribing, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next episode.